Here in this video, we will show you how to set link tracking in WHMCS. If you would like to set up link tracking in your WHMCS, then in that case, first of all, we need to understand that link or an ad tracker is a tool designed to allow you to track your advertisement campaigns. Whenever you get a hit on that particular link, the link tracker will count it and then it will be considered as a conversion. So now in order to set that, first of all, log into your WHMCS admin dashboard and then go to link tracking, which is given under utilities. Now from here, click over add a new link. Now specify the name of a link. Forward to is the URL where the tracking link forwards to. So here you can specify your WHMCS URL or any other URL where the tracking link will go. Usually advertisement forwards the URL to the shopping link. Now click over save and the link tracker will be created successfully. Now click over the edit icon in front of this tracking record. Now from here, you can copy this URL which you have entered in this link, and then if you open this website in a new private window, you will observe that this is the same URL where people will go after clicking into an advertisement. So if a person purchases any of the hosting or domain services from your WHMCS front end using this link, then you will be notified that this has appeared due to the affiliate of some other ads. Now in this way, you will be having a full control of what visitors are coming to you from advertisements. Now monitor all the clicks and conversions through link tracking, which is given under utilities. Go to the same place and then you will find that there are some value under clicks and conversions. These values provide us the information that how many clicks you have received from those advertisements which had this link and how many conversions have happened. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you would like to host your WHMCS website with a reliable hosting provider, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you.